Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, La Vida with Kim. My name is Kim, and today guys, I have my coach, 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽. Look how beautiful she is, guys. So today I am doing a close-up look, guys. I have not done one of these in a long time. This is one of the reasons why I started doing handbag videos, because I was looking at handbags and I wanted to look at them up close, you know, without having to go to the store. And I was looking for videos online and I couldn't really find any. So I started doing up close videos of the handbags so you guys can see them like this, super close, like if you are really seeing them in the store. So I want you guys to get a good close look. Maybe I'll convince you on getting this bag, guys, because she is so cute, guys. I love her. Of course, she is bedazzled, so that is always a plus for me. And I couldn't pass her up this time around that they brought her back. So here she is, guys. I have used her already a few times and I love her, guys. So right after this, right after I am done showing you guys up close look, I am actually going to be showing you guys what fits inside. So stay tuned for that. So this is her, the Swinger 20. There is a regular size swinger that dropped the first time around when they first dropped these crystal bags. But this time around, the second time, they're only going to have the 20. So this is the one I went for. But she is still gorgeous, guys. So enough blabbing, guys. Let me show you guys the bag. So this is the front, as you can see. It does come with a detachable strap, which is awesome. I love that because I do have thicker arms, you know, so I do need that little extra. And I did buy this chain off Amazon and I attached it, and look at that. Attached it to the chain it comes with, which is this one. This is the one I got from Amazon, and I just put it through the little hook right here and extended it, and it did make a difference, and I love that. So this is a front. This is the back, guys. Just look at that shine. I love it. This is the bottom. Sides. Look at that. She is so cute. It does have the twistable lock right here. Beautiful smooth zipper. Look at the inside. It has a little history tag in there. And it has a few card inserts right there. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. I think that is awesome. So yeah, that's the space. Like I said, it's not so big, but it's still such a cute bag for on the go. So I love her, guys. I really do. She is so cute. And then she also has these tags, guys. Look at this. The Coach one. It says Coach leather wear. Same thing in the back. And then it has another one that says The Swinger limited re-edition 1987. And the thing in the back. So she is so gorgeous, guys. Look at that. I love having the up close looks at the bags. So guys, now I'm going to show you what fits inside and what I carry in her when I do use her. So starting off with my 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽 pouch, guys. This is the smallest one, and I swear to you guys, this is my most used LV item, guys. I love it. I put my cards in here. I put cash in here. I love her. I use her so much. So this is what I use as my wallet when I use smaller bags. So I have her. I also have my microphones that I use when I go out. Since I do YouTube, I never know if I'm gonna start like recording and stuff, so I do carry these all the time. These are awesome Rode microphones. I have my phone charger as well. I lost the lid. I don't know what happened to it. This is a super old charger, as you can tell, but I carry this everywhere because I love it. It's very small, it fits everywhere, so always a must to have this charger. I also have my lotion, a tiny lotion from Bath and Body Works. This is a Sweetheart Cherry. I love it. It smells so good. But I love to have a lotion, you know, after a lot of hand sanitizer and washing your hands, you need some lotion. So I love these, the small travel size. And I also have some lip shimmer. I love to carry chapstick. I'm not a lipstick type of girl. I use just like chapstick and like maybe lip gloss here and there. So just some chapstick. And then a hair tie, guys. If you know me, I always put my hair up. So I have to have a hair tie everywhere I go. So that is it, guys. Let me put everything in here so you guys can see how it fits. So I'm going to put in the charger first because this is one of the things I usually don't always use, but I love to carry. In there, my microphones, my wallet, lotion, my chapstick, my lip shimmer, and my hair tie, guys. Very simple, not too much going on in there, as you guys can see. This is such a nice bag for on the go, you know, date night, something quick. I love her. Beautiful zipper. As you can see, it closes super nice with everything inside. And guys, of course, you know, we have to add a charm, so let me get a 𝓬𝓸𝓷'𝓽, of course. I'm going to add my Have a Seat 𝓬𝓸𝓷'𝓽. I feel like she goes perfect with the bag because she is brown. So she doesn't need many charms because she is super small, you know, so one is enough. I'm just going to attach her right here, right behind the tags and before the chain. So just like that. She is so cute, guys, right? Oh my gosh, I love this bag, guys. I am so tempted to get like more crystal bags. I don't know, guys. Oh my gosh, but I love her. If you do love her as well, I will link her down below. She's still available, guys, and go get her before she sells out because, guys, these are just so cute. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know what you think about the bag. Do you have one? Are you thinking about getting one? What do you think about the up close look? Like I said, I have not done one in a while, but let me know what you think. Do you like it? So yeah, guys, leave me a lovely comment down below. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. If you already did all those things, I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.